Dan has been my man. He has put together some of the most amazing marketing videos, sales videos, content videos. The way that he puts things together, the way he sees things, it's turned into some of the most amazing content that I've ever created. And he is still the first person I call when I have an idea, when I want to try something, when I need an editor or a director or someone to piece together a video. He's still the first person I call. And we've got to work with, some of the most amazing people in the world. He was with me at Lewis House's house. We've now just worked with billion-dollar brands on the cosmetic side, and it's just the way his mind sees things, the creativity and the fresh approach that he brings to things. It's modern. He's the kind of editor that just gets it. And that's hard to do because, styles change and people clash with the way they want things to look. 99% of the time when he sends me something, I'm like, cool, it's good, let's go. And he's like, no changes? I'm like, no changes, good to go. If you are looking for someone to really help elevate your game, long form video, short form video, whatever that it is, Dan is your man. Couldn't say enough good things about his work. So Dan, thank you, my friend.